Hello guys, welcome back to another airbrush makeup video. Starting off with my first color will be vanilla, and I'll be placing that on my brow bone color. For my second step, I'll be using golden olive, and I will be placing that in between my brow bone color and my transitional color, right in between. For my third step, I'll be using FAWN brown, and I will be placing that on my transitional color. This is what I call my steps 1, 2, and 3. So I am going to mix for my whole lid peach beige and bliss. I'm just going to use equal parts, 1 drop of each. And I'm just going to be putting it on my eyelid. Now I do have hoodie eyes, so I do tend to go a little bit more above my eyelids. I just love how makeup starts looking alive into your eyes. Now I am using soft colors today. I didn't want it too much glam, but I wanted something there. Now for my brows, I did use underground, which I love. Also, you guys could use 3 drops of FAWN brown and 1 drop of black to create this custom color. So when I do my brows, they're a little bit more trickier than doing eyeshadow. I don't have brows, so I do kind of have to define them to create that dimension, because I just don't want boldy eyebrows. It all depends. The trick and tip that I always could give out is just pulling back on the lever and distance. That does so much. To clean my brows, I do like using a disposable lip applicator with the airbrush cleaner and a cotton swab. And now I am using the same underground color, and I'll be placing that for my upper eyeliner or my upper lash line. Now for my lower lash line, I do use my stencil to guide me, but I kind of shoot in between the lashes and just go inwards or outwards. Now I did go back on my lash line to make it a bit darker. My foundation, I did get a little bit darker, so I am using 4 drops of golden olive and 4 drops of vanilla. This is what half looks like with airbrush. So I was in a little rush that day. I did end up mixing both of the colors, cocoa and dark peach pink, onto my cheeks. It looks like I'm spraying the heck out of my cheeks, but in reality I'm spraying and drying in between. For my highlight, I'll be using Lady Luck for today, and that is enough. Just 1 drop does a lot more than you think. With the same drop, I also managed to spray in the middle of my eyelid. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave. Don't forget to like, and as always guys, thank you guys so much. Bye now.